Hello and welcome to Reema's Garden. I am Reema, and in this video we will understand what are the different types of cuttings or pruning. See, what happens is many of times the words like cuttings, pruning, pinching is thrown at us and we get confused as to what it means. At the root of everything, it is just a cut, okay? Everything is a cutting, but the intention behind those cuttings are different. That is what makes each one of this different, okay? The first one that we will be looking at is pinching, okay? Pinching. Now what happens is, suppose you have a plant, pardon my drawing, this is how it is going to be, you will have to adjust. Suppose you have a plant that is growing just straight, and you want it to be bushy, which means you want it to have branches, but it is just going, vertically. So what you do is you cut it at a point here, on the topmost node or on the second last node, you cut it. Sorry, this one is not working. I'm taking. So what happens is you just give it a cut here. So now once you have given it a cut here, what it does is it forces the plant to bifurcate. So from where you have cut, you will have two branches. Okay, so what it does is it bifurcates the plant. What is this called? Pinching. What is the intention here? To create a bushy plant. Is it necessary? Absolutely not. Why do people do it? Because if you have plants like chilies, this is very common in chilies and those kind of plants where you want to have multiple branches. The more number of branches would mean more number of flowers and fruits. That is why this is done. It is purely optional, but this is what pinching means. Now going to pruning. Pruning is a very generic term, and at the root of it, what it means is, okay, have a look here. If this is a flowering plant, okay, a normal flowering plant which does not have fruits. So it has had two flowers and here there are no flowers. So once these flowers have bloomed and withered, what you do is you cut it from here totally. After the flower has withered, I repeat. So what you do is you cut it from here. Why do you do that? Why do you not let the flower be there? That is because you tell the plant to stop supplying nutrients here. यहाँ पे रोक दो and you start supplying nutrients at all other places so that those areas can have flowers. It is basically saying plants to withdraw their attention or the supply of nutrients to the place where there has already been flowers to the places that don't have. This is the basic intention behind pruning, the generic pruning. So any dead end, see, many of the plants, once they have bloomed at a particular node, they won't bloom again from that. So you cut it so that it enhances the growth. Okay, now the third type of cutting is what you use for propagation. You want to make multiple plants out of a single plant. Suppose this is a plant and you cut it from, this is one of the stems and you are cutting it from here and then placing it in another pot. So that is called a cutting, okay, for propagation. Why have you cut it in the first place? For propagation. So you should know the intention as to why you are cutting it in the first place. And the last one is what you call as 2G, 3G or 4G cuttings. Now these are specifically done for gourds. See, what happens is, if you allow a gourd plant to keep growing, what it will do is it will have multiple male flowers and minimum number of female flowers. What you want to do is, see, the fruits ultimately we are going to get from female flowers. So we want to push for female flowers. We want to encourage the growth of female flowers. So what this does is, this type of cutting does is, you pick up the main stem and you give it a cutting. Again the branches come, again you cut. Now first time you do it and it grows, then the second generation, then the third generation grows, that is the 3G cutting, and then the fourth generation 4G cutting. This is a practice particularly done for goats, okay, to enhance the number of female flowers in a plant. And how many times you do it depends on what G cutting it is. Like it's the first generation cutting, second generation, that is 2G, 3G and 4G. Okay, that's it. So just for a quick recap, pinching meant for bifurcation, pruning meant for overall growth and for increasing the flowering. Third is cutting for propagation, where you cut it at the base, okay. And the fourth one is cuttings especially for the goats, where you want to enhance the number of female flowers. Thank you.